Behold the magical floating Rubik's Cube. Oh, it's falling off. Hey guys, welcome to Andrew Vlogs Quietly. Today we're going to be doing 3 things. 1, talking about my mains and goals for tomorrow. 2, talking about some last minute preparation stuff I'm doing. And 3, editing my video that I'm posting today. I'm also posting this one today. That's fun. First of all, edit a video. Part 2, cut out and sort all of these scorecards for the competition tomorrow. Alright, done cutting and organizing all the cards except for these blank ones. But before I do that, I'm going to tell you about my mains and goals because they're pretty simple. Main is the Volk 3. Goals, sub 14 OH. Maybe make 6x6 cutoff. Okay, cool, that's it. I'm going to go cut these, edit this video. Comp starts in like 8 hours. I'm going to hopefully use some of those hours to sleep. I'll see you then. And by then, I mean tomorrow.